So it's been forever and a day since I could get in my garage and kind of make some things happen. Got to make room for another truck. Actually, another 2 trucks. Got to get these cabinets up. Funny story about this cabinet. I am in the business of redoing people's homes, and this cabinet has been around in my life for like 3 years. Since a lady, we redid her kitchen, and we get in this kitchen and she's like, yep, it all got to go. And I spied this cabinet and I couldn't help but say, I want it. I instantly thought, you know what? All my oil, all my cans of spray rattle can paint, blah, blah, blah. It's gonna go perfect in here. Takes such a damn long time doing stuff is I got all these things in my head, but all these other jobs around me that I got to do. The setup of the not so infamous now cabinet. It's got all my crap that was scattered all over. I probably still have stuff all over the place too. All paints, all my tape, all my blah, all my blah in here. It's working like I really thought it would, you know, having like this, you know, kind of like a mechanic's chest of paint and tape. But all right, let's call it a day.